appears it's red tagged. So that's never a good sign. Danger, danger, danger. You don't want to turn this on. Let me show you why. Here's the exhaust vent pipe right here. As you can see, it's at the wrong angle. It should be going up, not down. See how loose it is? So, apparently, this thing it's not supported right. It has the inadequate slope for it to actually exhaust properly. After all, it is an exhaust pipe. So it's a number one thing I found down here with the water heater issue. And then I'm looking over here at the furnace. I'm noticing we have a 90% furnace, and we have a PVC pipe here, which looks like the air intake, which looks fine. But then this is the exhaust pipe here. And to my surprise, I see this. It's connected to a rubber hose that not only doesn't go up, it goes down. And then it turns into a sharp U. Right here, as you can see, that is definitely an illegal connection here. And then it goes up. And then it goes into what appears to be a concrete pipe or a old transite pipe. I have to go outside and try to locate this and see if I can see where that's terminating. So yeah, this is not good. This furnace is definitely going to start to develop problems, and this is a new furnace. Appears to be just recently installed. Then, that's what I found with the heating. And then looking at the plumbing, I can see above me here they got some ABS pipe in place. Looks okay. Then I noticed this burn mark in the ABS pipe. Looks like it got heated up by something. So something was against this at one point and caused that damage. And I noticed a little shiny thing on the wall here. So it appears this end of the pipe is leaking. You got a tiny leak right here. And right now this wall is wet. As you can see, it's slowly dripping all the way down the bottom there. So we got a poorly done repair right here. And then over here on the HVAC supply, looks like we might have some asbestos here on that floor supply register. I have to look at that closer to be sure about that. But yeah, so here I am in the basement, which is not very big, and I found 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing covers, but what's worse than missing this cover is that we got cloth covered wiring, which is connected to knob and it's actually knob and tube wiring. So one thing I like to do when I see knob and tube, let's put a sniffer on it and see if it's live. And yes sir, it's still in service. So putting this up inside here, that's still in service. So this house is still running on 100-year-old wire. Not good.